Hey guys, Trey with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're taking a closer look at this black Pony Grille emblem for the 2015-23 Mustang GT, EcoBoost, and V6. If you're looking to get away from that stock chrome or fully black out the front end of your Mustang while giving it a more aggressive appearance, this emblem is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to replace the factory chrome pony with something more subtle without losing the iconic Mustang branding. Like I mentioned, this emblem comes with a black finish, replacing the standard chrome pony with a more aggressive and modern look. It's a small change, but it's going to make a big impact on the overall appearance of your grille. Designed as a direct fit replacement for the factory badge, there's no need for any modifications or complicated install. It still has that iconic pony shape, but with a sleek aesthetic that's perfect for completing a blackout or custom appearance. The black Pony Grille emblem is made from durable ABS plastic. The black finish over the sturdy base is designed to resist fading and damage from UV exposure, ensuring this thing looks good over time. In terms of pricing, this emblem comes in around $80, which is comparable to other products like it on the market. It makes it a very affordable way to get a custom modified look on the front end of your Mustang. Installation is quick and simple on this emblem. Rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty scale, should only take you 1 minute to complete. This emblem is designed as a direct replacement for your stock badge using the same exact mounting points. All you need to do is remove the old badge and clip this one into its place with no drilling or cutting required, making this a super easy modification. Now let's check out an install video from one of our AmericanMuscle.com customers.
This is a fairly straightforward install, so all we'll need is a plastic pry tool or a flathead screwdriver.
To access the front emblem, we need to remove the radiator cover, which is held on by 8 plastic clips. These can be removed by using a pry tool or a flathead screwdriver. On the back of the emblem, there are 4 studs being held on by metal clips. You can once again pry these off using a flathead screwdriver. Once you get the clips off, you can just pull the emblem right out.
Here is the new emblem with the existing clips.
Once you have your emblem on the grille, you can take your clips and put them on each and push them till they're tight. Now we're all set to put the new emblem on. We can use the original clips and put them in the same location. We got the little clips back on. Now we're all set to reinstall the radiator cover. Once all your radiator clips are back in, you're all set.
Well, that's going to wrap things up for our review and install of the black Pony Grille emblem for the 2015-23 Mustangs, GT, EcoBoost, and V6. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.